Stephen, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes. My question was, I have several pieces of property I own. One I live in, and then I have two rentals. And I wanted to sell and invest either on an empty lot I already own or on a new piece of property somewhere in Tennessee.
All right.
My concern was, how do I do this without losing so much money to taxes and so forth? Because when I bought the properties, I bought them pretty cheap, and now they're worth quite a bit of money.
Stephen, are you married or single?
I'm single.
Stephen, as far as the sale of your home is concerned, you can avoid capital gains on up to $250,000 of profit. So hopefully your home is not going to be an issue for you. Stephen, as far as your other...
No, the home that I live in, I owe about $126,000 on it. I could probably sell it for $280,000. And then the property that I own clear out, the other rental, is probably worth about $140,000, and I paid about $70,000 for it.
Right.
And then the other property, I inherited it, and when I inherited it, it was only worth about $5,000. Between the two lots that I have that I inherited, they're probably worth about $350,000.
So Stephen, I get it. So we talked about avoiding capital gains on the sale of your home on up to $250,000 in profit. Otherwise, when you sell those lots, you're going to pay long-term capital gains taxes, which I think are 15%. However, I think that there still is available to you what they call a like-kind exchange. I don't see people using it anymore like they used to, but I think a like-kind exchange is still available to you, Stephen. And what would happen is you'd sell those two rental properties and invest it in another property up in Tennessee if you wanted to. It does not avoid the capital gains taxes. It just delays it to another day when you sell those properties up there. So if that's of interest to you, check it out. It'd be a like-kind exchange, Stephen.